So welcome. This is Jamb here. 2014 government passed question. Question number 30 says the president of Nigeria was indirectly elected through ballot, secret ballot for a period of 5 years by the Senate in dash. The president of Nigeria was indirectly elected through secret ballot for a period of 5 years by the Senate in the dash. Now, I want to talk of two secret ballot paper by the Senate, and that is what we refer to as electoral college. Electoral college, that is system in USA or America. Then option A says 1983, B says 1960, C says 1963, D says 1979. So the period when this system of electoral college takes place or took place in Nigeria for the election of Nigerian president was in the first Republican Constitution. So in the first Republican Constitution, and that first Republican Constitution in Nigeria took place in 1963. So option C is correct. Thank you and kindly subscribe for more videos.